What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing the downpipes on the 3.8 V6 on my drift car right here, and they are ARK Performance. So it's going to be a full install video and show you how to install and what the car sounds like. And now I do have headers, a mid pipe, and a cat bag, so we'll show you how that sounds once it's all on. Now when you order your ARK Performance downpipes, it comes in a box like this. As you can see, some hardware. You got some gaskets, some bolts. I already opened them, so I'll show you what they look like. Here's what they look like. I'm not sure which side this is. I don't know if driver's side or passenger side, but very good quality. I like it. Nice. So, and the other one is basically the same. So like I said, this is gonna be an install video, and I just want to apologize for the darkness. My garage is limited in light, so I will try to do my best to light up what I'm doing and show you what I'm doing. So enjoy. All right, guys. So I'm under the car, and obviously safety first. So I got my jack stand here with a ramp, just in case it falls. Same thing over there with a ramp. Same thing back there. Sorry for the movement. Right there and right there. Now, this is the the passenger side downpipe. Look at it. Here's the trans. This O2 sensor. There's one on that side as well, right here. So one thing I will tell you, these suck. Make sure you soak the heck out of them with PB Blaster or WD-40, because they are a pain. So soak them up really good. And I used, give me a second. I used 7/8 open-ended wrench. Fits in there perfectly. So that's what I suggest using on this. And it's just your standard clip up top. Just unplug it. Nothing too crazy. And now to just unbolt the downpipes. Something over here. Sorry. So yeah, let's get to it. All right, guys. So here's a side-by-side comparison. As you can see, one already transferred the O2 sensor, so that's already done. But as you can see, the main reason why I switched these out is because of this bend right here. And this happened because I spun out and hit a wall and bent that, and that little bend messed everything up. But as you can just tell, it's so much thicker compared to the OEM. And if you see the flex pipe, I can literally move the flex pipe like nothing. This one, it's very hard. So that's good. Same thing with this one. This one's even worse. If I even step on it, look at that. Look at that. So it needed to be replaced anyway. So this is gonna go on. Let's see how it sounds. All right, guys. Downpipes are on. O2 sensors are on. Plugged in. I put some gasket sealant as well, so I'm gonna wait a little bit till that dries and turn it on and see how she sounds. But overall, not bad. All right, guys, the install is done. So here's a little after clip of what the car sounds like. But there it is, you guys. Hope you like this video. Hope you like the way it sounds. I certainly do. If you like this video, again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. There'll be more videos to come. See you in the next one.